Well, here's the thing about presidents who are also lawyers. They can find just the right words to confuse pretty much any of us who are not. Take, I don't know, Bill Clinton. Remember this, Doozy?
I did not have sexual relations with that woman.
I know, very different, but focus on the same plausibility of deniability right here.
If you like your health care plan, you can keep your health care plan.
Judge Napolitano is a lawyer, and he's a damn good one, we might add, but he says that the president's finding just the right legal words don't make them any less lying words. Now, Judge, the president famously making that comment, he left out the possibility you might pay through the nose for it, you might pay and have a lot of disruptions because of it, your company might do something, but is that a legal cover?
Well, the president doesn't have to worry legally about lying, even though the president and the Justice Department can prosecute people, Americans, who lie to the government. The president and the whole governmental apparatus are free to lie to us. That's not me saying it. That's what the Supreme Court says, and the president knows that. So the consequences to the president lying, whether it's Bill Clinton or Richard Nixon or Barack Obama, are political consequences, not legal consequences.
But in this president's case, as you pointed out, it's far more egregious. Why?
Oh, Richard Nixon told a lie about his personal knowledge of a third-rate break-in, burglary. Bill Clinton told a lie about a private, personal sexual liaison. Barack Obama has told a lie repeatedly, regularly, consistently, systematically, over and over again about the wealth that will affect the wealth, the health of millions of innocent Americans. The first two, which ensnared Nixon and Clinton, are so insignificant compared to these lies. And it's even worse, if I may, than the clip that you ran, because when he says that, you like your health care, you can keep it. You like your doctor, you can keep it. He then says, period. Using the word period means I guarantee you and assure you of the accuracy and truthfulness of what is preceded.
But does that legal statement, period, you could say, well, I said you can keep your plan. I didn't say that you might not end up paying more for it, right? I mean, I guess what I'm asking you as a great lawyer as well, that you leave yourself some wiggle room.
Well, in his own mind, he's left wiggle room, but he has seriously deceived the American public. You and I live in the great state of New Jersey. 882,000 people learned in the past 3 weeks in the state of New Jersey that they don't have their health insurance anymore, that they have to get it from another source. Now, that's 882,000 policies, probably affecting more than 882,000 human beings. These are innocent human beings who had every reason to believe that the president was telling them the truth. The political ramifications to this are the Democrats who voted for this monstrosity, who must seek re-election a year from now, will flee from the president.
Well, that will be the political fallout. But one other, I just want to throw it out there, that the president really didn't know. That he didn't lie, he was just ignorant, or didn't know basic economics, and that you can't promise everything and expect that people and insurance companies aren't going to charge you more.
I don't know any better than anybody else what the president knew, but the American public knows. This is a former professor of constitutional law. This is the editor-in-chief of the Harvard Law Review, when he was a student, and he is talking about his signature piece of legislation to which his whole presidency is dedicated. And he didn't know that he wasn't telling the truth about it? Hard to believe.
Really? Okay. Well, I'm just trying to be fair and balanced.